Okay, so we're doing the final exam review part B, and we're doing question number 10. So let's look at equation number 1 first. So first let's just pretend it's a straight line. And let's graph this. So this is my slope, because it's right in front of the x, and this is my y-intercept. So first I have to put a point at -7. So here on the y-axis I go down to -7 and I put a point. Step 2, my slope is equal to 5/2. Just a second. So the slope is 5/2. That means you go up 5 and right 2, starting at the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 2, and I can do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 2, and then oh, is it a straight? Is it a dashed line or is it solid? Because it doesn't have an equal sign, it's going to be a dashed line. So let's make sure it's dashed. There. That's equation 1. Okay, so now I have to figure out what side to color it on. So 0, 0 is not on the line, so I'll use the point 0, 0. And I'm going to put this into our inequality. I'm going to substitute it in. So put 0 in for the y, 0 in for the x, oops, put a 0 in there. 5 times 0 is 0. This time 0, 0, so I'm just left with -7, and now I read it. 0 is bigger than -7. 0 is, oops, you can't see, sorry. So I have my inequality, and I put 0, 0 into it. 0, and then this times 0 is 0, so I just have -7 left. So now I read it. 0, and I touch the big side first. 0 is bigger than -7. 0 is bigger than -7. Yeah, 0 is bigger than -7. So that means this point 0, 0 is true. That means all of this side is true and all of this side is false. So I color, I shade in the true side. Okay, so now I'm going to do equation 2. So equation 2, there is no x. Oops, you can't see it. There is no x. Okay, here I have a y and an x. So when it's like this, the easiest way for me to do it is a table of values. It says, I pretend it's a line, and it says y is 6. That means y is always 6, no matter what I do. And so I can pick anything for x. So let's pick 0, 1, 2. And these become my points. So I just plot these points. 0, 6. 1, 6, 2, 6. So here's my line. It's a straight line like this. Oh, is it solid or dashed? Because this does not have an equal sign, it's a dashed line. So let's go dash, 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 dashed. Oops, it doesn't look very dashed, but let's erase some points here so it looks a little more dashed. There. So now I have to say what side of the line do I shade? So let's take the easiest point here, 0, 0, and let's see if we have color down or we color up. So I'm going to take 0, 0 and substitute it into our inequality. So the 0 goes in for y, and now I read it. Is 0 less than 6? 0 is less than 6. Is 0 less than 6? No, 0 is not less than 6. 6 is bigger. So this is false. So this point here is false. That means anything below here is false. So if that's false, this is false. Everything down here is false, and everything up here is true. That means I have to color above the line. Okay. Now I have to go, okay, what is shaded twice? So this is shaded here, and this is shaded here. This piece is shaded once. This is not shaded. This is shaded once. This is shaded twice. So here, the solution set is this area here. So that is the solution to this. Okay, you always color in the part that's been colored twice. And you can see this is colored from here, and it's also colored from up here. Okay.